Hey, that's right. That's right. We're at Find Everything. You know what? We are over, that's right, at the library, okay? Now, if you look at the E, that is very, just when they get it fixed, you will not believe how incredible that thing is. It's just incredible what that thing does if you hit that E and then you start reading what it says and things like that. Just wonderful. Now, this is more of instructions. That's another book that you hit with the E, and it will go ahead and tell you exactly what you need to do. It's, I tell you, this place is, there's little tiny little things that, you come back, you don't see that. Now, this is my favorite part, and that is, that's right, SpongeBob. That's it. It's SpongeBob. Anyways, we're just going to go ahead and take off. And our next place that we're going to go, that's right, is we're going to go over to What's It Woods. Okay. So here it is. And this is what we're doing over here. Now, the thing that's really incredible about this whole place is that What's It Woods is basically done, which is so nice. Now, there are parts that I've not been able to go through and shared with you exactly what's all there, but there's a lot of areas that have not been shown. As you can see, we go ahead and we hit this log, and you can see last week the log was down, but the little termite you could go ahead and redo, and I had to reset completely. This is something I just love that. Norma was telling me about that some time ago, that was the only thing that was available at the time. Anyway, so I just want to let you know that we are really just going along, ready to go. And our next place that we're going over to is we're off to Ballyhoo Bluffs. Now, Ballyhoo Bluffs is also another area that is, for the most part, done, which is really nice. Now, what we're going to be doing is that I want to go up, and this area is just gorgeous, and there's a bunch of stuff right here that once this thing gets released, I'm going to be able to show you some new areas, and that's going to be incredible. I'll be able to show a new area to the right here, right there. Okay, you're going to love it. And I think that's right, you'll see that. But again, the reason I'm going in there's something really neat going on, and you'll see it. And later on, I'll be able to unveil it, and maybe a lot of people will find it before I unveil it. Anyways, we're gonna go in again. This is the juice bar. Now, because it's blocked, I got to go over and see Cool Baby Cool. Now, there's one thing though, let you know, and that is that you can actually go through the bar or the juice bar by doing one other thing, and that is that you can go ahead and you can play doors. Now, the doors you can go ahead and do, and the doors are open to you. So what happens is that if you can go and you go through 100 doors, you can actually come to this and come back, and you can actually go through the doors by going through the doors, if that makes any sense. Okay, so just give you a heads up that this is really what's going on that. All right, so anyways, that's just one of the things that we're doing on that. So again, really incredible, and we're going to be able to go over there. You can see that we'll do that little talking away in the password. That's right, juice. Okay, now there's some really neat things that are going on over there. Okay, just give you a heads up. We're going to go in again. The doors will also let you in, just let you know. You can go ahead and hit those things. You can see that they actually go and say talk. There's a lot of different things in here that are just unbelievable, and I'm just going to go ahead and show you a little bit. Okay, now we're up. You can see how much easier it is to go ahead and do that. It used to be very hard. They've changed that. They're really changing where you can really move around so much easier. It's just like, whoa, this is unreal. Now, this is the monkey area. Now, there's some things that are there that are really incredible. So what happens though is I can't really show you. However, I can show you this. All right. Now, these are the stickers. And as you can see, if you hit the one, see, you can hear that. You can go ahead and go to the next one, and it will make noises. That's right, the whistle. What's nice is if you hit the number, it will make that noise. But if you do it with your mouse, then there isn't one. Okay, so again, this is kind of how it kind of works on this. Yeah, there's another one on this. So anyways, that's what's going on. That there is there's some other stickers and things like that. So again, there's a really neat things that are going on. Oh, well, excuse me. Anyway, anyway, just to let you know that the stickers are incredible, and it's really kind of neat because you can kind of go walking around and you can have those stickers just pop up wherever you want. So it's kind of neat how that's going to on that. So again, this is there. We're going to go taking off for another place. We're going to, that's right, Yummy Yum Yard. Now, some of the things I did here was I did a little bit of difference here, okay? I wanted to show you exactly how to locate that secret, what's the word I want to use? The secret way to go to this new thing they have, okay? There's something, what happened was that there was these people who actually, one of the testers actually went to Tyler and to Polyhex and to Socks and said, hey, I've got something that's going to be really incredible. You're going to be able to go and you'll be able to see this brand new thing that we're putting together. And so of course they said, well, of course. Now the only problem is it's extremely hard to move around in here because the object that I'm trying to not show, I can't show. So I spent probably 2 hours trying to figure out how to make sure that I wasn't showing this thing that has just been unveiled in here. It's just incredible, just to let you know. So what we're gonna have to do is you have to go in a different angle so you don't see exactly what we're kind of hiding, if you can say that, okay? So again, this is kind of the thing that goes on, is that this I want to show you how to, well, and again it's a little bit hard because I need to get better at what I do, but again this is letting you go in. It's so close. This allows you to come up here and then you can kind of get across there because I missed it, but we go through again and we gotta go up. Okay, well we try to go up. All right, okay. So anyways, we go up and then we can go across. There we go. So again, what I'm trying to do is, now you can go left, but the problem is if you miss, you go right into that water and then you just die instantly. However, if you go to the right, like I'm showing you now, is that you can go ahead and go over it, and then at that point you can go ahead and go all the way up to that new thing that they've installed, and it's really incredible. I cannot start to tell you how incredible that truly is. However, I had to do probably 2 hours of editing because every time I moved you could see the object that I was trying to hide. So that's the reason this whole thing is a little like kind of all over the map, is because I had a problem with this, and that is I could not let you guys see what has been brought on to the Yummy Yum Yard, that there's something brand new and it's exciting. So I just want to make sure that when you get in and when they've opened this up, you can go ahead and have a look to see, okay, that's what's going on, that is what's happening. So just give you a heads up on this. You can see we're so close, and we're going to make this. We are going to make this, okay? You can go up there, get over there. That's right. Now we can kind of look, figure out, am I going there? Am I going? Is it going? Almost. As I said, there was some parts that I was actually further along. The problem was that I was showing what I was trying to hide. So again, let's just try again. We can do this. It's just, it's one of those things that is frustrating. And again, I want to thank one of the people who said what I was doing wrong, and I thank you very much for letting me know about that. So anyways, we'll go ahead and go again. Let's go ahead and look. We can do it. I know we can. We're gonna go up, and then we want to do is go across this, and then we miss it. But again, what's so nice is that we're not losing our stuff in here, okay? So it's really incredible. Okay, let's go, and then we can there, okay? We kind of come back, and then okay, let's go ahead Let's go ahead. We can do it. We can do it. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, so close. So close. This is the thing. It's just like frustrating because I know that I'm thinking, you know what? I know I can go around this thing and be on the other side. There. We got it. We got it. We got it. Anyways, again, this is it. And then we go on this. And then at that point, we keep on going and then going again. And then all of a sudden, you are there. Okay, so the object is incredible. It's there. But again, I just didn't want to show you the whole thing, just to let you know. And then, of course, we can kind of go right over, and you can see that we are over. That's right, in the middle. And then, of course, I get underneath that lip, and then, oops, I go back and forth, back and forth. Oh, come on, let's go. Come on over and come on out a little bit. And then, of course, we can go ahead and have that strawberry, and then we can go and on. We're going on that way. All right. So anyways, that's what's going on. And I just wanted to let you know, this is the thing. It's just, you can go through. I kind of missed there, but it's okay. I used to go up again, and then we go in, and you can see that we can hit the balloon, and then we got here, and then we don't even need the balloon. I mean, we didn't even need the other part. We just had that balloon part. Again, this one I had to go ahead and edit again and again because this was showing you that new thing. So again, it's a lot of stuff that we're doing right now, and I just want to let you know that it's just incredible what we're doing on here. So it's just, you can see that we can go a lot better, a lot faster, and it's just one of those things that I'm just ecstatic about, that we can do what we're doing. All right. So anyways, I want to thank you so much. And you know what? I hope to see you. That's right. See you again. All right. Take care. Bye-bye.